Elephants address one another with specific name-like calls. A new breakthrough in animal communication studies has been announced. Elephants call each other by name. Now, animals have many ways to communicate with each other. For decades, researchers have found that a variety of vertebrates, such as primates, squirrels, and even domestic chickens, vary their vocalizations depending on the context. In particular, the location of dangerous predators. For example, meerkats use a different warning call for an airborne raptor compared to a land-based threat, like a snake. It has also been shown that some dolphins and parakeets mimic the characteristic sounds of another member of their group in order to get their attention. Humpback whales copy each other's songs. What makes the discovery about elephant names remarkable is that a mother seems to address a juvenile with a unique name, independent of mimicking her child's typical communications. In other words, it seems that mothers assign a symbolic name to their children, which is learned by the child and possibly other member of the group. Something that had previously only been documented in humans. The names are generated not through the characteristic trumpet blasts, but instead with low-frequency rumbles which travel through the ground. It is actually easier for elephants to communicate across distances of 50 to 1,000 meters by rumbling inside their body and transmitting the sounds through the ground, for their target receiver to feel through their feet. This rumbling data was collected by a multinational team of researchers who studied the calls of African savanna elephants at nature reserves in Kenya between 1986 and 2022. They analyzed recordings of 469 rumbles which were known to take place between two different elephants, an adult female caregiver and a juvenile calf. Machine learning was employed to distinguish the patterns, most of which occur at infrasonic frequencies undetectable to the human ear. Mothers use the name more often than juveniles did, indicating that it takes time to learn the name. The researchers tested individual elephants' recognition of their own name by playing the recording and watching its reaction. When an elephant heard its own name, it responded with calls and approached the speaker, but didn't respond when a different name was played. Elephants, like humans, have long lifespans and form various fission-fusion relationships throughout their lives. It is possible that the development of naming is beneficial in re-establishing bonds after a long separation. Furthermore, the use of symbolic, learned labels for one another suggests that elephant cognition may be more advanced than previously recognized.